Okay, so what's wrong with this customer's Pinbot, other than everything else that we did to it, including a rotten dog replacement board for the acid damaged original MPU, clean rubber, obviously, LED, generally nice enough Pinbot for being stuck in a barn for however many years. It is a family heirloom, but it was jammed in a barn and forgotten about. Still has original displays. Tape those on there. What's missing? The light bar at the top. They don't want to spend a lot of money, so we're not getting that for them. But biggest problem is the motor continues to run with the visor up and down. What is the problem? This switch here, which if the motor reverses direction, that gets wanged out and stuck. So in the magic box of goods, I just happen to have a similar switch. Almost the exact same thing. So, I'm going to change that, see what happens.